Sometimes we have so many stuff. We have a blockage in our mind because sometimes you feel like tension from your shoulders, from the back because you sit too long or you sit not right. We do some movements that activates and circulate, make the energy flow well. Sometimes we have so many stuff. We have a blockage in our body. We have a blockage in our mind. We do exercise in such a way that we can make the circulation, make the flow, so that we open unblock the blockage. Because sometimes you feel like tension from your shoulders, from the back because you sit too long or you sit not right. Because sometimes you feel like there is a stuck in your body, something not moving well. In your mind, something not flowing well, and then you feel suffer. You feel a little bit in pain, physically and mentally. The blood kind of circulating is cannot be healthy for yourself. Actually, you cannot be alive when the blood stuck somewhere. We do some movements that activates and circulate, make the energy flow well. Okay, circulate the blood. So when you offer opportunity for your body to circulate your energy, your chi, your blood, and then you feel healthy right away. And that kind of practice helps you also to release, to let go your mind of stress and tension. Also, when you breathe out, you let go and release tension. Okay, relax your face, relax your ears. We can sit down and take off your socks. Okay, we call the fluff on the sole of the feet. Okay, so we can put the right leg on your left knee. Okay, and right hand we're holding the first part of your right foot. Okay, and then you open your left palm. Ready? Within, open and out. You flap on your center of the sole of the right foot. Okay, in, out. Inhale, exhale, in, out. And keep your feet warm. Okay, in, out. Release tension. In, out. In, out. Inhale, exhale, in, out. And then you can stop for a while, holding your right foot in this way. Have you ever say like thank you to your legs, to your feet? So this time is opportunity for you to do that. You can say thank you to your feet, to your legs. Send energy to them. Okay, feel happy to have 2 feet. Relax your feet and smile to them. Okay, smile to your feet. Breathe in, open again. Out. In, out. In, out. One more time. In, out. And then we'll change to another leg. So you use your left legs, put on your right knee. Okay, and then left palm holding first part of your left foot. Okay, open the right palm, within, deep, and then out, flap on the left foot. Okay, in, out. Inhale, exhale, in, out. In, out. In, out. Stop a moment, holding your left foot. Breathe in and breathe out. And you send love and care, compassion to your left foot. Smiling to him. Breathe in. Oh, thank you for being there. Thank you, left foot. Thank you, right foot. Thank your legs for walking and helping me to moving around. Okay. Open again. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. One more time. In. Out. That's so wonderful. So you can slowly stand up. Open your palms. Breathe in deep. Breathe out. Slow. Bring your mind back to the body. Relax your feet. Relax your palms. Okay, so you can do the short massage movement. One hand on your lower abdomen, another hand outside. So you can massage your belly, your stomach. Okay, with a clockwise direction. Press a little bit. Breathe in. Out. Circulate the blood of your stomach. And improve your digestive system when you do this often. Breathe in. Out. And then massage your two palms together. And then side by side. Left hand. And then another hand. Then you shake your palm together. Shake and then you jump. Relax your palms, your fingers, and your feet. Then you can massage your lower back. Two hands, massage lower back. And go down your two legs. And go to front. So you can do 3 rounds like that. So wonderful to massage your back and your whole body by yourself. Relax your legs and your back. Okay, and then massage your 2 arms. Okay, beside your arms, your hands. This one can strengthen your arms, but at the same time to improve your health of your lungs and your heart and your hands. Then one more time. That's so wonderful. So we can do the cleansing breath. Okay, breathe in, raise your hands up, stand by your toes, and then out. Okay, release completely the anxiety, stress from the body. Inhale. One more time. In. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. Breathe in. Out. Bring your mind back to the body. Relax the whole body. And then left right palm on your heart. And left palm on your lower abdomen. You may close your eyes. Take a few minutes to embrace your body with love and compassion. Feel your heart, feel your lungs, feel your all internal organs. Recognize they are there. And you feel very grateful, very happy, very joyful to have your internal organs still alive. Feel very grateful to them and offer smiles to them. Within. happy to be alive with the whole body. Feel grateful and happy to recognize that you are not alone. You have ancestors in your hearts. You are smiling to them. Feel grateful to them. Thank you for always support. You recognize Mother Earth. Feel connected to the earth that you are standing on. But also appreciate the space, the sunshine, the oxygen that the earth is giving to you. So you feel grateful to the earth and smile to the earth with love and compassion, gratitude. Breathe in, out, and you offer a great big smile to yourself.